Hello guys! So I actually wore this look to my friend's barbecue and I thought it'd be really nice to share it with you all. I had a really strange dream that night about a bird with these colors and decided to use it as my inspiration for this makeup look. Hope you like it. So here I'm starting off by using my favorite eyeshadow primer just to make sure that my eyeshadow stays on and stays vibrant. Then I'm using NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil as a base for the crease portion of my eye. I want to get as much color payoff as possible. Just so you know, I do my eye makeup before I do my face makeup, but if you do want to see a face routine, just please thumbs up the video and that'll let me know exactly where to go from there. From my BH Cosmetics palette, I've gotten a dark purple color and started to pack the color in the same place as where I put the base earlier. I know it looks a bit funny right now, but don't worry, it'll come together, I promise, I promise. Most of the colors that I'll be using in this video are from the BH Cosmetics palette. And I believe it's the first edition. So here I'm taking an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and I'm using it in a sweeping motion to blend a dark gray color above the purple color to further enhance the overall look. I got this brush for probably about $2, I'm gonna say. Okay, and so from the same palette, I'm taking a very bright pink color and I'm packing it into the outer corner of my lid. The key to using BH Cosmetics is to use a lot of primer and a lot of packing. I'm going to continue packing in the color for a while until I get the brightness that I'm looking for. I really hope that it's starting to come together for you guys. And that you see that just because it starts out in a mess doesn't mean it's going to end in a mess. It's okay. Just keep practicing and you'll get it. From that palette, again, I'm taking a very pale pink and I'm applying it to the inner corner of my eyelid. And then I'm blending it into the hot pink. Again, it's all about layering and packing in the color. The thing with BH Cosmetics is you've just got to be patient with it and just keep packing in the color until you get it to be the way you want it to be. Afterwards, I'm taking a NYX Pigment powder and a very pale pink, it's almost white, and I'm layering it over the previous color. And just like before, I'm blending it into the hot pink color. I'm bringing that very same color under my eye. And then I'll be doing the same thing with the hot pink color. Here I'm adding a highlight color that's maybe a shade lighter than my concealer, and I'm blending it into the darkest color. I'm taking this white jumbo pencil by Rimmel and I'm running it on my waterline to make the eye appear much larger than it already is. I have really big eyes, but just wanted to make some more drama. So I put some black eyeliner on my lash line to make it even more, like, more drama, just more, okay? NYX has this really cool Studio Liquid Liner, and I used it to make very thin lines on the outer part of my eyes. This made it look a little bit more interesting, I thought. And with some black eyeliner, I gave myself a cat eye. And then I used the black eyeliner to outline the blue line that I had put there earlier. Then I got some lashes for $2 at Sears and I put those on. And then I was all done. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any more video requests.